So UNESCO is the governing body that has the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission underneath it, and the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission, IOC, has a role in coordinating global ocean observing through the Global Ocean Observing System, and then has roles in things like leading the international oceanographic data and information exchange, in promoting sustainable ocean planning and management, in ocean science, looking at global ocean acidification programs and things like that. So there's a whole range of different ways in which IOC, as a part of UNESCO, is leading global ocean science. There's a range of different UNESCO initiatives, again, through the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission, that are looking at ocean conservation. Under the International Oceanographic Data and Information Exchange, there's the Ocean Biodiversity Information System. That has a huge range of information about the life that's in our oceans, and it can be shared, and that's used a lot in conservation. And then I would say sustainable ocean planning and management is a way in which IOC and through IOC UNESCO is leading on ocean conservation. If you are doing marine spatial planning, if you're planning for the oceans and doing that in a sustainable way, you're looking at how best to conserve the ocean and how best to use it in a way that doesn't detract from the ocean and from its health. So the ocean doesn't know any boundaries. There's no borders in the waters of the ocean. And so international agreements, international cooperation is absolutely vital. Being able to protect the ocean, being able to develop the ocean sustainably. And so having global bodies like the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission, where you can draw in experts and you can run programs like the ones that we've talked about in a collaborative way and work together as a global community to the end goals of those programs. It's absolutely key to global cooperation in the ocean.